Hi, TK. All right, we've done 8. We've done number 9. It is, that's right, 10 day. Yay! Today we are going to work on the number 10. And to write the number 10, it's our first 2-digit number. That's right, a number 10 is written with a 1 and a 0 in the back because it is one whole, remember when we did this? It's one whole tower, a group of 10 small ones put together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is one whole group of 10 and nothing left over. That's how we write a 10, a 1 and a 0, right? 10. 10 is so easy to do with our tally. I can do it with my eyes closed. Let's see if I can. Okay, here we go. Did I do it right? Pretty close. So 10 is 2 squares with 2 diagonals, huh? I did that with my eyes closed. Pretty good, isn't it? Right? Or we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Or if I had a 10 frame, what would happen in my 10 frame? How many ways to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ways can I make 10 on the 10 frame? How many ways do you think? 5? No. 1. There's only one way to make 10 on the 10 frame, right? Because if I fill it all up, that's how I make 10. Is there any other way I can fill up the 10 frame? No. That's the only way to make 10. Okay? And then how can you make 10 with your fingers? So easy, Miss Boo. 10, 10, 10, 10, right? Okay. Now you've been working on combinations of 8, combinations of 9. Yesterday we talked about a systematic way to make combinations of 9. So today we're gonna do it real quick with combinations of 10 for Miss Boo because I wanna talk to you about something really important with numbers called friendly numbers. Okay, so we're gonna start again. Ready? If I wanted combinations of 10, what would I start with first? That's right. I always start with that number. I'm going to start with all 10 at the top. If I have 10 at the top, how many do I have at the bottom? 0. So my combination is, today I'm going to write it like this so that you can see there's many different ways to write it. 10 and 0 makes what? 10. That's right. 10 and 0 makes 10. Now, I'm going to take 1 away. Put 1 over. How many do I have now? 9 and 1, right? So I've got 9 and 1 makes what? 10. That's right. My equal sign, I can also say makes with it. Okay? And this is the plus sign. When we say and, we can use this sign and that says the same thing as and. Okay, so now I'm going to take 1 away, put 1 back. What is it now? How many do I have? 8, because 8 is 1 less than 9. 8. And what's 1 more than 1? 2. 8 and 2 makes 10. Okay, are you doing this with me? Yeah? Okay, go ahead, do the next one. Take 1 away, add 1 to the bottom. How many do we have at the top? 7. And how many do we have at the bottom? 3. 7 and 3 makes 10. Take 1 away, add 1. What do we get? What is it? 6 and 4 makes 10. Good. Take one away, add one over. How many do you have? 5. And I used a different color so that you can see, okay? So 5 and 5 makes 10, all right? I keep going. Take one away, add one to the bottom. What do we get? 4 at the top, and how many at the bottom? 6 at the bottom makes 10. Have we seen this combination somewhere? We have, haven't we? It's just switched around, but it's still the same combination. Do you see it? Right here. And right here. So 6 and 4 makes 10, and 4 and 6 makes 10. 6 and 4, 4 and 6, they are friendly numbers. They make 10. So what do you think the next one is? Let's look at our pattern. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3, right? So you think it's 3? Let's put a 3 there. What about on this side? Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's one more than 6? 7. So you think 3 and 7 makes 10? Let's see. Let's go to our Rekenrek here. Okay. Take one away, add one to the bottom. How many at the top? 3. How many at the bottom? 5 and 2 makes 7. We're correct. So let's put our symbols on. Here's our and, or our plus symbol, equals 10. Okay. What's going to come next? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 2 and 8. Do they make 10? Let's see. Take one away. Add one to the bottom. Okay, that's 2 and 8 makes, it does make 10, doesn't it? 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's next? 1 and what's 1 more than 8? 9 equals 10. Take one away, add one right there, right? Is that 9? Is that one more? Does that make 10? Yes. And then lastly, we take one away. We have to add one here. How many do we have at the top? 0. How many do we have down here? All 10. So 0 and 10 makes 10. So, and if you look, we've got the same combinations, okay? But they're just in reverse order. 7 and 3, 3 and 7. They're the same number. 2 and 8, and 8 and 2. They make 10, right? 9 and 1, and 1 and 9 makes 10. 10 and 0, and 0 and 10 makes 10, right? So these are what we call, I'm running out of paper. These are what we call friendly numbers. Friendly numbers are numbers that make 10, and I want you to learn your friendly numbers, okay? Because they're really, really helpful for you to do math when you add and subtract. But first we need to know our friendly numbers. So if I said 9, what's friendly with 9? 1. So 9 and 1, because it makes 10. Anything that makes 10, when you combine it together, they're called friendly numbers. So if I have 8, what's 8's friendly number? 2. Yeah, they're best friends. 8 and 2 are best friends because they make 10, right? 7 and 3. 6 and 4. 5 and 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are your 5 sets of friendly numbers. And I want you to practice them. I want you to try and see if you can just have that down in your brain. Memorize it. Okay, so what you're going to do today, you're going to play a friendly numbers game. You're going to need another person like your mom or your dad to play with you. Okay, because you're going to need 2 sets of hands. And Miss Boo doesn't have 2 sets of hands right now, so you're just going to have to pretend. Okay, for example, I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to put up some fingers. For example, if I put up 5, now it's your turn. You have to put up 5's friendly number to make 10. So how many fingers do you have to put up? You would put up 5 because 5 and 5 are friendly numbers and they make 10. What if I put up 3? How many do you have to put up? You would put up 7, all right? Because 7 and 3 are friendly numbers. Now if you look, you see the fingers that are down? See, there's 5, 6, 7, 7, and then 3 in the top. Yeah, 7 and 3, they're friendly numbers. Okay, so what if I did 4? What would you do? You would have to put up 6 because 4 and 6 are friendly numbers. So I want you to go play friendly numbers with your fingers and probably somebody older than you. Okay, don't play with your baby sister or your baby brother because you know they might not even know how to count yet. Okay, go have fun. See if you can learn your friendly numbers and see how fast you can do it. Okay, all right. Because the next time I'm going to challenge you. I'm going to see how many friendly numbers you can get in 1 minute. Okay. All right. Have fun. Bye.